So if you click the video, I'm assuming you want to know how to do this hairstyle. So keep watching and I'm gonna show y'all.
Praise God, bro.
Had a grind and hustle hard because I wanted more than this. Mama kept my ass in school, I wasn't out here flipping bricks. How I made it out the trenches, but I'm still living like shit. Really wanted more than that, really wanted more.
It's your girl, Big Bammy, not the little one. And before we get into the hair, I wanted to share this tool with you that I just started using. This is a 3-way mirror from Amazon, and it's literally so easy to set up. It's no installation. It just comes with the hook that you throw over your door and you're ready to use it. I will be linking this in the description, but let's get into the hair, okay? So for hair, I used a couple of different products. They will all be in the description, y'all, because I ran out of hair and I had to do with what I got. But everything I use will be in the description, so be sure to check that out. So I start off with this section and I just put the styling gel along the base of the section just to make sure that I have a good hold, because these are twists. You know, you want to have a little grip on the hair, not too greasy, but you want to have a grip. And I just split that section down the middle. Here you see me fidgeting around with the sections. So once you have your two sections split up, you want to flat twist them in the same direction. They could either both go towards the front of your head or they can both go towards the back of your head. I was gonna take this out because I was having a hard time figuring that step out, but I was like, no, let me leave it. Let me show y'all the real deal, because this style was a little complicated. I was having a hard time. The trick to this hairstyle is to flat twist the hair in the same direction. When you start to actually twist down, as you can see here, I finally got it, the hair starts locking. Now, if you figure out how to do that part, really clap for yourself, because that's the hardest part of the whole hairstyle. Now all you have to do is add the hair, and basically you just put the hair in the middle of the section and you twist it on each side. Wrap your hair around it 1 or 2 times just to have it secure, and you continue to twist the 2 strands together and then twist each individual strand around your finger. Now, if you got it the first time, you're a fast learner. Congratulations. But some of us, me included, be a little slow. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna walk through it again. All right. So you get this section, you put the jam around the section so you have a grip, right? Then you flat twist your hair in the same direction. You could do it towards your scalp. You could do it away from your scalp. As you can see here, I'm twisting away from the front of my head, so towards the back of my head. And once I do that, boom, you see that lock? The hair locks itself. I ain't even got to do too much. But wait, I'm back with more. I take in my braiding hair, I wrap it around my finger to integrate my real hair, and I start twisting. And every time I pick up a new twist, I do that little wrap around my finger, you know, You got to get it locked in. It has to be locked in for real. But I'm not done yet. This is how the full twist looks. You want to make sure you twist it to the bottom to get the look that you're going for. Once I do that, I check it against the rest of the hair that I've done to make sure it's the right length. I fold it in on itself and I wrap the excess hair around that bottom piece. You see what I'm doing here? Wrap it. It's locked in. It's an invisible lock. I should not be able to see nothing. So after I do that, I go in with some rubber bands and I secure it. Okay? And there you guys have it. You have an invisible lock. Look at that. Look at magnificent. Go in with the rubber band. Make sure I match the color of the hair. Everything's invisible. Everything's invisible. And boom. You have your lock. Like, do you see that? It's locked in. It's growing out of my scalp. Who added hair? Nobody. I'm gonna go through it one more time. I'm not gonna talk through this one though, because I know some people, they're visual learners. So this one is purely visual. So if you didn't get it the last 2 times, hopefully this one helps. And this is the finished look. Who gonna tell me these not my locks? They growing out my scalp because they invisible, baby. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and if you want to see me try any other hairstyles, be sure to comment them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!